So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to stake Ethereum here on crypto.com. So once you open up crypto.com, I want you to go down to the bottom left area to where it says accounts between home and trade and press on accounts. Once you're here, you might be at the top. Simply just scroll down to where it says staking and then press on that. Once you're on this page, it'll show you your portfolio. So at this moment in time, I don't have anything staked, but if you wish to begin, go ahead and press on stake now. Then on this screen, if you're looking to stake Ethereum, scroll down to where it says Ethereum right here, and then press on Ethereum. Now, once you're here at the top, you can type in the amount that you're looking to stake. You can also see the timeline of when you'd be staking. So if you stake now, the activation for me would be August 1st. The first reward would be August 2nd, and you can go forward that way. Also, too, make sure you guys do acknowledge and read the risk statement, the terms and conditions, and privacy notice. So you can go ahead and press on all those at the bottom. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on continue. Then you can continue with staking Ethereum that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is how to stake Ethereum on at crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.